Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing update from Google, specifically targeting the original Pixel Watch. Now, this might seem like a simple software update, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore why this modem update is worth our attention. So, what's the deal with this March 2026 software update for the Pixel Watch? Well, personally, I think it's fascinating because it's all about enhancing emergency services. You see, the update focuses on improving E911 emergency dialing behavior, which is a critical feature for any smart device, especially a wearable like the Pixel Watch. It's a subtle yet significant improvement that could make a real difference in emergency situations. But here's the kicker, despite this update, the original Pixel Watch won't be getting the latest Wear OS 6 Plus. Why? Because it's already surpassed its 3-year update guarantee. Now, that might sound like a bummer, but it's actually a testament to Google's commitment to providing long-term support for its devices. They're ensuring that even older models like the Pixel Watch continue to receive essential updates and app support from the Play Store. Now, here's an interesting twist. As of now, the OTA, over-the-air, update isn't available for manual installation. And get this, Google hasn't even released the March 2026 update for the LTE versions of the Pixel Watch 2, 3, and 4 yet. It's almost like they're taking their time to ensure a smooth rollout. You know, when it comes to software updates, a phased approach like this can often prevent potential issues and ensure a better user experience. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, this update highlights Google's ongoing support for its Pixel Watch, even the older models. It's a reminder that while new features and OS updates are exciting, sometimes it's the subtle improvements and long-term maintenance that truly matter. It's like a well-maintained classic car. It might not have all the latest gadgets, but it still runs smoothly and reliably. I hope this breakdown gives you a fresh perspective on these tech updates. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.